Are you tired of stock apps that just show numbers but no real insights? And that's why I have built my own portfolio tracker that shows everything I need to know in one place. In this video, I will show you how I track all my stocks, their returns, sector allocation, and market cap allocation in a simple dashboard using the Google Sheets. Especially if you are using a stockbroker like Grow, where charting and detailed portfolio insights are missing, this tracker can seriously help you. So this is the tracker where you will get the information about the portfolio value, portfolio return, portfolio percentage, all the stock information, what is the current versus invested amount of the stocks, what is the market cap of all your stocks, what is the stock wise growth if it is in positive or negative, sector wise allocation, and the profit and loss of the total stocks. So before that, to get all this information, we have to go to the stocks info, and then we have to insert all our stocks related information out here. To keep in mind that we will only track which is like the currently invested stocks. So if you have sold any stocks, then what we have to do is we have to delete it from here. Okay, so this tracker is only for the currently invested stocks and not for the historical trading stocks or whatever stocks you have already sold. To add one more stocks in your portfolio, say for example today you have bought something and you want to add it out here, so what we have to do is we have to give the name of the stocks. So let's say for example I have bought HDFC today. Okay, so now as you can see, the stock name we have to give based on the NSE name. Okay, so what you can do is you have to search what is the correct name of the HDFC stock. Okay, so let's see if it is HDFC Bank. Yes, as you can see, the correct name is HDFC Bank. So I have given the name and that's why it has got the NSE code and the stock name from it. As well as I have also got the sector, what is the market cap, what is the actually market cap based on large, mid and small. So as you can see, HDFC Bank is a large cap bank. What is the current market price? Now, after that, say I have told that today I will be buying. So I just given the 2nd June. Now say for example the current market price is 1928. I have bought it as 1920 for example. And then I have bought 10 shares. So now it will give all the information here that okay, till here we have already seen what is the current market price, what is the invested value. So invested value we have found out is from buy quantity into buy price. Okay, so sorry, I have done ulta. So let me give the buy quantity as 10 and then buy price as 1920. Okay, yes. So invested value is nothing but buy quantity into buy price. Okay, and the current value is nothing but the buy quantity into the current market price. Okay, so as you can see, I am I'm getting the total return as 81 rupees profit till now. What is the day's change? It has gone down. And what is the growth? Like how much percentage I have got till now? 0.42. Now out here I am calculating what is the total invested value, and here I am calculating what is the current value, and then out here I am calculating what is the sum of all the returns I am getting. Okay, this is required for the dashboard. Now out here I am also calculating the profit and losses. How many stocks are in profit and how many stocks in losses? Not how many, actually how much is in profit and how much is in loss. Now coming to the dashboard, as you can see, I have added the HDFC Bank, so I have got the HDFC Bank. So here you will get all the information about the stocks, like what is the percentage of the HDFC Bank in my portfolio, what is the percentage of SBIN, Reliance, CDSL, Union Bank, like this. Okay, so you can click here and then get the information that 23.2 percentage is invested in the SBI. That is 34,400 has been invested in the SBI, whereas HDFC Bank 19,200 is invested. So this is only for invested value. Okay, this is not the current value, it is invested value. Okay, now this is current versus invested. So here you can get that, okay, for SBI and I have invested 34,400. And what is the current value? 35,000. Similarly, CDSL, I have invested 34,000. And what is the current value? 33,440. Okay. This is what you will get for all the stocks. And then the market cap. So how much large cap? 67,870 I have invested in the large cap. Mid cap I have invested 19,250, and the small cap I have invested 60,904. Okay, so you will get how much percentage is in the small cap, mid cap, and large cap. Say for example, someone who is does not want to increase certain amount in the small cap. So as you can see, 41% in small cap. So what you will do next is that you will remove some of the allocation from the small cap and move to the mid cap or large cap. So this is very much needed if you want to keep that percentage, like 70% large cap, 30% mid cap, or 10% small cap. So for that, sector market cap allocation is very much needed. Now coming to the stock wise growth, like if your stock has given you positive growth or negative growth, and if it is negative growth, how much uh, like negative it has given. Say for example, for Cello, I have got a growth of minus 3.54. So now I can say that, okay, if it goes below 4%, or if it gives me little bit profit, I can sell it. So that's why stock wise growth is very much needed, that okay, which are in loss and which are in profit. So if it is in loss, what I can do with those stocks. Now coming to the sector allocation. Now this is very much needed because, say for example, if I am overly allocated, like if I have not diversified enough, my portfolio will not give good returns. So I have to have a diversification. As you can see, the bank public is 28.1% I have given allocated. So which is very big. Okay. Whereas if I see chemicals, it's just 8%. And there are other sectors where I'm not allocated at all. Okay, if I see bank, so 28 plus 13, that is 43% of bank only, which is, to be honest, is not diversified. So using this dashboard, I can say, okay, I am not diversified enough. What I can do with my portfolio, how I can allocate more to the other sectors, and how I can remove from it. Okay, so and then at the last, this is profit and loss. How much profit I have got, like 1925, 1925 is the profit, whereas 1237 is the loss. Okay, so this is just for overview. Okay, this is just for an overview, that okay, how much is the profit, how much is the loss, if I'm in profit or loss. So this is the personal portfolio tracker for currently invested stocks, where you get a glance of the total data, like whatever data you have, like market cap data, sector allocation, stocks information, everything at once. Okay, we don't have to go to any of the sites, or if the stockbroker does not have this, then this is very much important to get a glance of your portfolio. I'll share the link of this portfolio tracker in the description. What you can do is that you can go to the file, click on make a copy, and then give the name of the copy, whatever name you want, and then click on make a copy, so that it will create your document in your drive. Okay, after that, what you can do is you can change this stocks and everything, like say for example, you have some other stocks. So what you can do is you can just change the name. So don't delete it, because then the whatever formula I have done is will be gone. So what you can do is you can only delete this part, this for stock, buy date, buy quantity, buy price. If you delete this, then automatically everything will be deleted. Okay, so don't delete all the things, because otherwise the formula will be gone. And if you want to add any stocks, you just have to add till this 4. Okay, you just have to add the stock, buy date, buy quantity, and the buy price. Do let me know if you want any more information to be added here, like any charts or anything to be enhanced in this. Do let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like this. Thank you.